Welcome back in a new video. In this video, we are going to take an overview of the understanding delay events. So, in this video, we will discuss what delay events are, why they occur, and how they affect project performance and extension of time claims. Okay, so this topic is the foundation for accurate delay analysis and claim preparation in any construction or engineering project. Let's start. So first we have what are delay events. So here you can see delay events are the occurrences that affect the planned progress of a project. They can extend project duration, impact resources, or increase cost. Then understanding the type, cost, and responsibility is essential for fair analysis. So delay events are any occurrence or situation that prevents the project from progressing as planned. So they may cause activities to take longer, resources to be delayed, or cost to increase. So understanding delay events means identifying what happened, why it happened, and who is responsible. So this understanding is critical for fair evaluation and for protecting both the contractors and employers' interests. So next we have importance of identifying delay events. So here you can see helps in determining EOTD entitlement. Okay, then sports claim preparation and defense. Then ensures transparency in project progress, then reduce disputes and misunderstandings between parties. Okay, so recognizing and classifying delay events in one of the most important steps in delay analysis. So here we have these actually why it's matter. So it helps to determine whether the contractor is entitled to an extension of time, and it supports both the uh, claim preparation and defense with the proper evidence. Then it ensures transparency and fairness in product reporting, and most importantly, it reduces the disputes between parties by providing clear records of events and responsibilities. When delays events are properly identified early, most conflict can be avoided. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So next we have categories of delay events. So delay events can be classified into four major categories. So first we have excusable delays. So excusable delays are beyond the contractor's control, such as extreme weather, government restrictions, or force measures even. So the contractor is usually entitled to time extension, but not cost compensation. Okay. Second, we have non-excusable delays. So these occurs due to contractor-related issues like poor planning or a resource shortage. The contractor bears the time and cost impact. Okay. Third, we have compensable delays. Here you can see third. So these are the caused by employer or client, such as late approvals of design change. So the contractor is entitled to both time and cost compensation. The last we have concurrent delays. So concurrent delays, you can say two or more delays occur at the same time with shared responsibilities between contractor and employer. So these require detailed forensic schedule analysis to separate impacts. Okay, so understanding these categories helps in fair decision making for EOT and claims. Next, we have common causes of delay events. So now let's look at the some common causes of delay events seen in real projects. So here first we have the late design approval or changes. Okay. So late design approvals are changes that hold up the construction, then shortage of the material or resources. It can be happen due to supply chain issues. Third, we have adverse weather conditions such as heavy rain, extreme temperature, or storms, etc. Okay. Then fourth, we have unforeseen site conditions uh, like underground utilities or soil problems. Okay. Then next we have delayed payment or decision by the employer. Actually, this is effect to the cash flow. Okay. So last we have subcontractor performance issues. So subcontractor performance issues including the mobilization or poor workmanship. Okay, so each of these causes must be identified early with the evidence for proper delay assessment. Okay, next we have identifying delay responsibility. So after identifying the event, the next step is to assign responsibility. So here is how we typically categorize responsibility. Here you can see party, typical responsibility. Then example, first we have under party, we have employee, typical responsibility, design change, late approval. Then example, we have here late drawings, payment delay. Contractor, poor planning, resource shortage. Then example, we have here late mobilization, the rework. Third party, typical responsibility, you can see like external impact. So examples we have here: government approval delay, utilities issues, etc. Then neutral for force measures and flood, earthquake, etc. Okay. So this classification ensures fair assessment of entitlement for time and cost. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next, we have impact on project schedule. So delay events directly influence the project schedule in several ways. So first we have the effect critical path and float consumption. So they affect the critical path, which determines the overall project completion date. Okay. Second, we have may trigger the need for EOT or acceleration. So they consume available flow, reducing schedule flexibility. They can trigger extension of time or even require, you can say, acceleration to recover lost time. Okay. So next we have the influences, progress reporting and earned value metrics. So they influence project progress reporting and earned value metrics used for performance analysis. Finally, delay can impact cash flow, productivity, and profitability. That's why understanding how each delay event affects the schedule is essential for accurate analysis. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next, we have delay event life cycle. So each delay event goes through a clear life cycle, usually following these five steps. First, we have occurrence. So the delay event happens, for example, a late drawing or bad weather. Second, we have notification. So the contractor formally notifies the engineer or employee as required by the contract. Third, we have analysis. So the project team evaluates how this event affects the schedule using CPM or delay analysis techniques. Third, we have decision. So the employer or engineer reviews the claim and decides whether an EOT or compensation is justified. And then last we have documentation. So all records and stored for references, claim submission, or defenses in case of dispute. So following this life cycle ensures compliance and strong claim report. Okay, and it also help to make a strong claim support as well. Okay. So next we have tools for analyzing delay events. Okay, so to analyze delay events properly, some professional tools and methods are used. First, here you can see I have added a Primavera P6, then MS Project. So, Primavera P6 used for detailed schedule tracking and time impact analysis. Second, we have MS Project. MS Project also used for scheduling and is also useful for the baseline comparison and visual tracking as well. Then we have delay analysis techniques. First, we have as built versus as plan versus as built. So, using this technique, we will compare the plan versus actual performance of the product. Second, we have time impact analysis. So, using this technique, we will add the delay into the baseline to see its impact on our schedule. Then, third, we have the window analysis. So using this method, we will divide the project into periods for progressive evaluation of our project. Okay. So last we have collapsed as build. So using this technique, we will remove delays from the as build to see what completion could have been. So using these tools ensures delay events are analyzed accurately and objectively. Okay. I hope tools for analyzing delay events are clear. So finally, we have here the key takeaways. So now let's summarize what we have learned in this lesson. So the first, the every delay must be identified, recorded, and analyzed carefully. Okay, here you can see. Second, responsibility allocation determine entitlement for time and cost. Third, proper documentation and timely notification are vital for successful EOT and claim submission. Last, we have understanding delay events is the first and most important step toward fair evidence-based project delay analysis. Okay, so by mastering delay event identification, you lay the foundation for professional level claim management and forensic schedule analysis. Okay. Okay, so I hope everything is clear related to the delay events. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.